Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Fire TV stick. First, make sure your Fire TV stick is connected to a strong internet signal. You will also need a Bluetooth game controller, as the standard remote won't work for gameplay. Finally, confirm your device has at least 1 GB of available storage space for the application. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth experience. Next, you'll need to sideload the Roblox application. Go to your Fire TV settings, navigate to My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and enable apps from unknown sources. After that, install a downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Use this downloader to find and download the correct Roblox APK file, ensuring it is compatible with Android TV devices for best performance. Once the Roblox APK is downloaded, open your downloader app again to locate the file. Select it to begin the installation process. After installation is complete, you can find the Roblox app in your Apps and Games library. Launch the application and proceed to log in using your existing Roblox account credentials. Remember, a game controller is essential for navigating the login screen and game menus. Now it's time to connect your game controller. Go to Fire TV settings, select Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and pair your Bluetooth controller. Once connected, you can use it to navigate through the Roblox interface, select games, and control your character during gameplay. Explore the vast world of Roblox and enjoy countless games directly on your television screen with full controller support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.